Ready to unlock a smarter way to shop and split your payments directly from your iPhone? First, make sure you have the Klarna app downloaded and you're logged in. You can find it in the App Store if you haven't already got it. Now, within the Klarna app, locate the specific Klarna card you want to add to Apple Pay. Usually, it's the one you use for online purchases or your Klarna card. Tap on it. On the card details screen, you should see an Add to Apple Wallet button. It might also say Add to Apple Pay. Give that button a tap. Your iPhone will now redirect you to the Apple Pay setup screen. You'll see an image of your Klarna card, review the card details, and then tap it in the top right corner of the screen. You'll then be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Scroll through them carefully, and once you're happy, tap Agree at the bottom of the screen. Apple Pay might need to verify your card. This usually involves sending a verification code via SMS or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. Once verified, your Klarna card is now successfully added to Apple Pay. You'll see it within your Apple Wallet alongside your other cards. Now, you can use your Klarna card through Apple Pay anywhere that accepts contactless payments. Just double-click the side button on your iPhone to activate Apple Pay. Select your Klarna card and hold your iPhone near the payment terminal. Enjoy the flexibility of Klarna with the convenience of Apple Pay. Be sure to manage your Klarna purchases within the Klarna app. Happy shopping!